A photo of my poo. He's like, honey, you really don't need to send me there. Yeah, he doesn't like it, but I do it anyway.
We'll do it.
He could try saying thank you. We'll do it in the bidet.
I respect that.
Yeah.
Ed, I'm done with cabins.
Thank
Need to
you.
do anything else?
You cannot consume outranks you. So that is who I am.
If you two can't work together, I have to let go of both.
Hello!
Give boredom a red card with the championship of chuckles. Ta-da! What E4 Extra's done here is a stroke of genius. They've genuinely set the standard for funny season after season. And this summer's no different. On E4 Extra. Stream now.
Barclays. Make money work for you.
Many apologies for the abrupt ending to Below Deck Mediterranean, although we can assure you that you missed nothing except our technology department having a meltdown. Getting back on track with some brand new Monday Night Wrestling action now on E4, which may contain scenes that may be unsuitable for younger viewers. Because, let's admit it, it is not an easy task.
Looks like Abby's got her entertainment sorted for the night. But Barry looks like he could do with a laugh. Well, he's in for a treat. Channel 4 Late Entertainment, proudly sponsored by William Hill Vegas.
In this world, wrestling is everything. This is a place of stories, passions, dreams. Here, everyone, big, small.
So as long as you stay away from this building, you will get your diploma at the end of the week. Understood?
That's what we call star-studded entertainment. Channel 4 Late Entertainment, proudly sponsored by William Hill Vegas.
Below Deck.
Welcome aboard.
Learning with co-workers at sea.
Probably the hottest people I've ever seen in my life.
Below Deck. Bringing things and making a scene. Make your yacht rock with a boatload of Below Deck. Below Deck. Weeknights at 8 on E4.
You could spend days trying to sell pride.
Channel 4 Late Entertainment, proudly sponsored by William Hill Vegas.
Just one.
And there's more new Invincible Fight Girl, same time tomorrow night at 9 p.m. And ahead of the brand new series coming to Channel 4 in August, catch up with everything Elmore related from jobs to video games. Stream the full series of The Amazing World of Gumball now on 4OD. Stick with us, you're watching E4.
That's what we call star-studded entertainment. Channel 4 Late Entertainment, proudly sponsored by William Hill Vegas.
Household work should be fun. And with Gunter Brush, it is! This little fella helps you enjoy vacuuming, washing yourself, and even cleaning the toilet. So for all your boring household chores, a Gunter Brush is all you need.
When little time calls for big power. Reach.
They're proper nice, then.
Oh, proper nice indeed. Sainsbury's tastes the difference. Good food for all of us.
With McLaren's dominance hitting the wall, is the Tangerine Dream turning into a nightmare? Can they hold off Verstappen at Silverstone, or will George Russell steal the spotlight? Formula One live race coverage from Silverstone on Channel 4 starts next weekend.